Hey, what's going on and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your room like a pro. We're going to start from top to bottom and you're going to make sure you have some fresh bed sheets. So let's get started. So when you're cleaning from top to bottom, you want to make sure that you get a Swiffer duster and you dust all your window frames, your ledges, your lamp shades. You want to dust all those areas, even the side tables. You want to dust that side window frame area and the baseboards to finish on the dusting from the bottom. Now that's just one side of the room. You got to do the other side too. So you just rinse and repeat. Make sure you dust those headboards because when we sleep, especially if you have allergies like me, it's not a good look when you wake up. So I like to move all the fresh bed sheets and linens to the side, making sure that your pillows, your bed sheets, your duvet cover, or your blanket on top doesn't touch the floor. Those are things that we sleep and our face is going to be touching. So we want to make sure that we treat our skin with the respect. So I'm just pulling back all the sheets and everything to the side, just basically stripping the bed and preparing it for that change. So what I've learned to make in regards to making the bed a lot faster is this little system that I have set up, and I can share that in a future video. Just leave in the comments below if that's something you want to check out, because it's recommended that you should be making your bed every week, and that can be time consuming. So me personally, I make mine every 2 weeks, and the tips that I'm going to share with you in that video is going to help you save a lot of time, and it's going to look like that hotel finish. So I'm just finishing up the bed as I make the bed and get those creases and stuff together. And because we're going to jump on the bed anyways, it's a king bed, I just tuck the sheets in the side just for accessibility reasons, which I don't even think that's a word, but just to access your bed a lot easier. And then I just go back, make sure the bed is pristine, add the duvet cover on top. Now, if you have a duvet cover and that's time consuming for you, also leave it in the description or the comments below if you want to see me make a video about like how to put on your new duvet cover on in no time, because it's time consuming, trust, but it's cute and it goes with your room and your decor, right? So I would love to share a video on that too. So I'm just adding new sheets, the new pillowcases to the bed. And if you like that little hotel feel, where the pillows and everything prop up in more detail, and that bed video, how to make your bed super fast video, is something I'm going to go into detail on how to do that. It's a lot of fun making videos and showing you how to do things. So I'm just propping the pillows up and just moving one by one. Now, not all pillowcases are created equal because we have all these crazy big pillows. So this pillowcase does not fit that pillow. It's hilarious. So you got to make do. And that's the importance of not putting your pillows on the ground too. So, yeah, I just prop it up, make it look pretty, and then cover it up with the other pillow to, make it look beautiful. And then once you're done with everything, you just vacuum the floor. Now, a few things that I realized I didn't share is the important things of maintaining your bedroom in general is going to help you to get your room cleaned a heck of a lot faster, such as having a trash can in your room to not have garbage everywhere. Even if that's just you got a little recycle bin and a trash can, you want to make sure that you have laundry hampers so you can keep all your dirty clothes in one place. And that's going to help with having daily routines such as making your bed, your laundry, washing the dishes and stuff like that. So here's the finished project. Beautiful. This is a finished, clean room. So thank you for this experience. Check out the next video. In the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.